In today's video, I'll show you how to add DocuSign directly into Microsoft Word so you can sign and send documents without any hassle. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you are in, open any document. It doesn't matter which one. This just gets us ready for the setup. Now, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon and look for the Add-ins section. This is where Word lets you bring in extra tools. Click on Get Add-ins and a search box will appear. In the search bar, type DocuSign and hit Enter. You'll see it appear in the results. Click on it, review the details if you'd like, and then press Add. That's it. DocuSign is now integrated into Word. From here, you can sign documents yourself or even send them out for others to sign. Perfect for contracts, agreements, or forms. And that's how you bring the power of DocuSign straight into Word. Super simple, super efficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides.